This is a Sonoran desert dung beetle. He's rolling a piece of cat dung, I assume. Might be dog dung, but that's what dung beetles do. It's like 6 times as big as the animal or insect, and you see him rolling it. Dung beetle, Sonoran desert. Rolling some dung. Recycle. I've seen him like roll little balls, but this is the biggest piece I've ever seen get rolled. It's doing its job. I guess they lay their eggs in it, and then the baby dung beetles have food when they wake up or hatch or whatever they do. I don't know what they do.